Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida, and another regular old day in the sunny state. It's been raining for the last couple of days, but as you can see behind me, I have my 2022 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. We traded our 2021 Jeep Willys, and I'll explain in this video why we changed from the 2021 Willys to a 2022 Sahara. Hopefully it'll make sense to you guys. But if this is your first time checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below. Tap, 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 tap. Like, share, comment on the video, and let me know after the video if you think this was a upgrade or I should just stayed with the Willys. But either or, it's already too late. The Sahara is here, aka Vader, and Vader's here so it could match Atticus. Definitely thinking about wrapping this matte as well and leaving some gloss accents like on Atticus. So we'll see, but we're just gonna rock it shiny for a while. But we did order this Jeep, special order this Jeep. It did, we ordered it December of 21. We're in 22, right? Yeah, December of 21, and it just came in May. But we've had a crazy time. Our son graduated from high school. Congrats, he's going to Mississippi State in the fall. So we've just been busy, no videos for the last week. We had family in town, so it's just been a hectic time. A bunch of storms, rain, work, family, graduation. So hopefully things is not gonna settle down. We have a whole bunch more stuff going on, so maybe at the end of the summer things will slow down. But I like the stuff that's going on, so yeah, let's get into today's video and I'll show you Vader. So here, one of the bigger upgrades that we went with. The engine. We went with the V6. We went with the V6 e-torque to match the e-torque on the Ram. But when we got it, it did not say e-torque anymore. It says like VSS, which I guess is the same thing as e-torque. But there was a bunch of different things that we ordered that did not come with the Jeep, like, unless, you know, because it took like 6 months to get it and they couldn't get some parts. So I think they changed some stuff on it. And we do have the upgraded like alternator, because we have the system, the aux system, where we could add a whole bunch of different equipment on it. So we have the aux buttons on the inside to add. So this is one of the main area that reason we changed, was to go with the V6. The other engine we had was the inline, well, the 4-cylinder turbo, which was a little bit peppy, but this engine is actually making the Jeep, a little more stable and better to drive. One of the reasons we went with the Sahara is because we get the body color fenders. It also gives you the body color top. So I think that looks pretty sleek, how this is the body color. But that's how it looks on the side. So it's pretty sleek. So we just got the window tinted to match the rest, and then have the windshield also tinted, which is way lighter than the windshield tinted on the truck. Another new feature that with this one that we like is you don't have to take your key out of your pocket. You just put your hand behind here, it opens the door, or you could press this, locks the door. So before in the 2021 you still had to take your key out. So now there's no taking of the key. And as you can see, ta-da, the ducks. But it has the leather Another thing, we ordered perforated leather, but somehow this is the leather that came in the truck. So it says like a McKinley premium leather, so that's fine. We got the bigger display. Our other display was smaller. This one have nav everything. And then this is also one of the main things is all these auxiliary buttons. So when we put some lights and different things on the Jeep, we have it's already integrated. We don't have to add switches anywhere. We could just go ahead and push the auxiliary button, make it a lot cleaner. But the one main reason we ordered it, I'm gonna show you right now. On the Jeep is the One Touch, and the reason we really like this one with the One Touch is because the whole roof slides back, and I wasn't gonna be taking any taking the top off. I have no room to put it, and that sucker is heavy, and also sometimes like an inconvenience to just take the little Freedom tops off. So you have a little button up here, and there it goes. Ta-da! But yeah, look at that, the One Touch. You just hit it, just pretty much just like a big old rag top, and you can still have your AC. You can still take your doors off if you want. And it starts raining, you don't gotta pull over to put those little Freedom tops on. Especially living in Florida, it could be, you know, Florida weather is bipolar. So hit the One Touch, and here it comes. And just like that, it's closed. So I definitely think that's definitely worth it. So it has a heated steering wheel. It do have heated seats. I got the cold weather package, and then with my other Jeep, it did not have the stitched leather dash, and this do have the premium sound. It's early in the morning, I ain't gonna beat down the block. So right now we put 225 miles on it. I'm just driving it, but the bigger display, all weather floor mats, got the little Sahara stitching, and got black on black on black. Black on the outside, black leather, black person driving. So triple black. Pretty cool. The only thing that I really don't like on it is these wheels. But we ordered black wheels, even though it wasn't the altitude package come with the black wheels. We did order the black wheels, but this is one of the other things that showed up that wasn't on the order list. So right here, going to the back, I don't think you're gonna be able to open it all the way because son's little car's in the way. I'm not gonna go in and get the key. Good. This doesn't, nope, not enough room. But what I want to show you is the Alpine system. Beat down the block like a 10. Sounds pretty good compared to the other one that had, I don't know, paper tweeters as all the speakers. So definitely an upgrade with Alpine. And if you could look up there in the corner, it's hard to see. Let me see if you can see up here. See those handles? That handle there, and there's another one up there. What that does is it pops this whole side out called, so you could pop this side out all together with the glass. You have the top back, and it has a bag that you put them in and put them in the back right here. So you could have a truly convertible setup. Of course, I got it from my peeps at Step One. They always take care of me with the subdued decals. I think I'm going to do the license plate like how I did my license plate on the truck, since everything is black. So this is how the license plate is naturally, but this is how I did it on my truck. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing from my truck to the Jeep. It has the lane keeping, LiDAR, radar system, side cross path detection. Got the little thingy in here. First mod, little stubby with the carbon fiber. Second mod had it tinted, had the windshield tinted lightly. Not like on my truck where you can't see anything, but you can see through that because I can see it's tinted. I'm gonna do the badges, take these off, go blacked out badges, and eventually get it wrapped like this so they all match. But I'll leave the gloss, and stuff like that. But I'll probably leave those gloss, and then of course leave the hinges, leave those gloss. Those are already flat, the door handles are already flat. So I'll probably leave these gloss and the fenders gloss. And the grill gloss to match the gloss on mine. But yeah, look at there. I could say it's definitely worth the come up. Next video I'll go over the price and everything like that. Needless to say, when I traded in the Jeep, I got more for it than what I bought it for. Yesterday's prices is not today's prices. But yeah, just a quick video on Vader. More videos to come on this to match that. And Vader has a girlfriend next door, so we'll see how that relationship works out. Again, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until the next video,